Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you or walk you through the steps on how can you verify your account on Amazon shopping app. If you wish to verify your account, and it's a very simple procedure, make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Amazon shopping app and log into your account. As you're logged in, click the gear icon or the tab bar icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go to your account, or you could just click on accounts. After which, go to the section of account settings and you want to find the section of login and security. As you go to login and security, you could find all of your information right on this page. And to verify as well, you want to go ahead and click on two-step verification. Now click on turn on, and then you want to go ahead and add the verification. So to verify it, you could go ahead and enter in or select country's code first of all, and then type in the phone number and click the confirm button or continue button. So since I am unable to do it, so you could go with the Authenticator app as well, and you just have to make sure to go ahead and install Google Authenticator and copy this code and then enter in the verification code and click on verify OTP and continue. And with that being said, you have successfully verified your account on Amazon shopping app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.